Hello guys, welcome back to Krahenbuhl Motorsports. First up we have Jim. How do you feel about the race?
It's pretty snowy.
Nah, bro.
Okay. Next up we have Joe. Joe, what do you think about the race?
Bro, I got my appendix removed like a little bit over a week ago, and bro, I'm just gonna full send, bro.
I don't know, I just woke up from a little nap. It's a little dark, but you guys silly? I'm still gonna send it.
Next up we have Jax. What do you think about the race?
You know, obviously, clearly, I'm gonna win. I'm just the best out of all these kids. They stand no chance. I don't know about him. I think second is my best bet. So yeah.
Okay. Last we have Dylan. What do you think about the race?
Stoked for it. Doing some races in the snow. I like the confidence of Jax too.
Yeah. We are having some complications. This is heat 1. It is 3 laps. 3 laps.
Oh snap!
Poor Jim. Alright, Dylan, how do you feel about winning your first moto?
It's a great race. I appreciate the invite. These guys got to pick it up though.
Joe, how do you feel about getting second?
I had the race against Austin Politelli's brother. I'm pretty sure he's better than Austin Politelli, but I got second. I beat Jax. I beat Jim.
Jax, how do you feel about getting third? That is sad. Now this is a 1-lap race for the adults. We have Fat Rock and Frank Politelli. Let's do this. Alright, we're doing a staggered race. This is going to be the main event because it's getting a little bit icy out here, so let's do this. Since Jim got last in the heat 1, he's starting first. Jax second, Joe third, and then Dylan last because he won the last one. Guys, we're back from our main event. There was an avalanche coming, so we had to kind of take it inside. Dylan won the main event. How do you feel about that, Dylan?
Oh, it was a great race. Snow picked up, visibility got hard, but it was fun.
Jax got second. Jax, how do you feel?
So basically, I was hauling, but the heavier you are, the more traction you get in the snow. He took an icy corner, rip him. He took a fat L, but you know, second, I'll take it against basically a pro. So.
All right, Jim, you got third. How do you feel about that?
So basically, I was winning, but then my bike was out of gas, so I had to go get new gas.
What?
And then I came back, and then I was just in last, but then Joe crashed right past me.
Oh, Joe, how do you feel about getting last?
I was coming for Jax. I was just gonna go full out or nothing. And so basically I took this corner, the inside corner. I was just going too fast. And I just caught a little edge, crashed.
That's it.
Almost tore up in my freaking belly again.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.
Happy birthday!